Good morning, guys. So we're just waking up, cooking breakfast.
Yes.
What we making today?
We're making some chicken and waffles and got some bacon in the oven. I haven't really done this in a long time, so it might be trial and error.
Y'all look at that bacon.
Trial and error.
She pulled too much. Look at that, got it smoking. When mama gotta come and do it for you.
Mama gotta come do it for me.
You're so stupid.
There we go. Alright, y'all, just getting out the shower, put on clothes. The lady, she about to show you a tour, so stay tuned.
I have to give y'all a quick tour of the cabin. So right here, you got the kitchen area, you got the basic needs, the stove, fridge, microwave. But also, it's 2 bedrooms, one on this side and one on that side, but we're gonna show y'all this area. So we have a full-size bed. It doesn't come with a TV inside the rooms, we just brought that. It's a small little cabin, cabin 9 on the water. And we'll show y'all around the park a little bit later.
You can get a 1-year boat.
You play playing without beer because you don't like beer. You don't like beer.
Baby.
Your mama got a Corona. Right now, I'm about ready to go to the store, get a few things. I should have grabbed my shades. The sun almost too bright. Man, you can't ask for a beautiful day. So on this side, y'all, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cabins on this side. And then you got some more on the other end you can't see. Baby with the boot game, okay. Got the little part on. Okay.
Hey, we lit.
Come on, let's go. Alright, y'all, so here's the other pier that you could see earlier that also have cabins. I think it's like 3 or 4. Alrighty, let's get in the car, baby. Alright, y'all, so we're in the car. We're gonna ride down a little bit, show you the cabins. We got a few over here.
Then to the left right here, you have a little small park if you want to bring your kids and things like that. So we're coming up over here to the village round, the area where they have like, you do fish fry, you're having a family gathering or a type of event.
So quite a few people that came here for the weekend.
I think that's right here, the last cabin. Cabin 30. Here they have like a little pier store where you can buy bait.
Alright, y'all, we're just getting some food line. Gotta get a few groceries out of here. When you're in a grocery store and you got liquor.
Yep. Yeah, so only in South Carolina you get that country pudding. Thank you.
Alright, y'all, so we just put the groceries in the car and now we're gonna go to the liquor store.
Make some margaritas.
Yeah, I gotta make some margaritas today.
Got that Jose Cuervo margarita mix. What y'all know about that? Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys have a great day.
And now he gotta go buy another one.
Y'all gotta say I'm in the bus. There's only one that bus. Oh, y'all find the car. When you're trying to open the bottle with a key. I think she can get it. Oh, go ahead and break the key now. Woo. There you go. Right on the red box.
It smells like fish.
I know, it smells like fish. That's what I said.
Grandma, yeah.
Grandma, yay. Y'all, so I don't know what I'm about to do, but I'm probably gonna fix me a drink, and then I gotta, you know, make the butter for the crab boil. Monteri's over there got the fishing rod going, but the people next door, they don't call it good big catfish.
I'm hoping to catch a brim or a bluegill. All right, y'all, so we're getting the bait. Night crawlers. I hate picking them up, so that's why I got gloves on.
Bougie country boy. Current moving, so current probably bringing the fish in.
See, I got my worm.
Where the worm at? Ooh, that thing moving.
Stick that bad baby right in here. See, he don't like that. Y'all throw that bad baby out here. Ran out. Come on, fish.
Y'all, so I'm about to eat some gumbo. What you doing?
Trying to catch a fish.
What's going on over here? Look at that. You done fogged up the camera. That's how you do it right there. Talk to the people. What's going on? Catch anything yet?
Nothing yet, y'all.
None yet.
Oh, Lord. She got the rod, y'all. I'm going to get back. See, look. You got to push and let it go.
I do be letting it go.
Let's try again, y'all. Look at that.
All right, y'all. I'm giving it back.
Oh, what the hell you did?
What I do, y'all?
Look where you got the hook there.
On the end, got the lime in it.
I got it.
We about to make the butter sauce for the crabs. That only gonna take like 5 minutes. Just make the buttermilk, pour the seasoning in there, then we good.
Taste test, y'all. Did good on the butter sauce.
Tastes good.
Steve, your ass ain't saying that.
The damage, y'all.
Last piece.
Last piece. Ooh, y'all, the sun finally going down.
Yeah, the sun went down.
No fish yet. Come on. There you go. Woo. Yeah, that's so silly. Man, look at that boat right there.
Isn't that neat?
So you can still pour your drinks up and everything?
Yeah. Backing it
About
up.
to get this gang going on, kick some butt. Uno out. Yeah, boy. Back to you.
Color blue.
There's some whores in this house.
Let's get on music.
I said certified free, 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out get free.
Turn that up.
Bucket. Beat it up, nigga, catch a charge.
Y'all knew how I was gonna act. Let's get on nasty music.
I must say, 'cause I never have seen such a pretty face. Then I won't regret.
I ain't playing with y'all no more. Y'all see this.
Do that 2-step. Where that footwork? Over here. Frying that fish. That good eat, y'all.
That hot chicken.
R.I.P. That's that Houston chicken right there.
That's all.
They over here bundled up.
What she say?
All these girls excited.
Hey.
Hey, I'm the same old G.
Oh, got a fish.
For real?
Yeah, I got one.
He playing, y'all. Y'all, come on, he got a fish.
They got no
He do. Mom, look.
That's a catfish. That thing big. Oh, my Darius. She about to lose it.
I don't know how to get a cat.
He got a catfish. Damn!
That's a nice size. That's a beer.
Damn!
I don't know how to take no
You know how
catfish
to
off.
clean
Is it recording it?
Yeah, you better be.
No, we gonna keep that.
Who's gonna clean it?
We gonna
I'll clean it for y'all tomorrow if y'all want to.
That's a nice
Size, yeah.
Yeah, nice size.
And put some ice on it and
Find a camera.
He don't want it.
It ain't dead. No.
Still alive?
Now take him and put him in the fridge.
When the liquor hits.
He put it right there.
It's a rainy day.
Night night.
Doesn't matter. It's called
Night night. She tapping out, y'all. All right, y'all. We about to get ready to lay it down. Tomorrow, we get up early in the morning. We're gonna go to Charleston. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Did you catch one, baby?
No, I ain't catch one. All right, y'all, so good morning. We about to head to Charleston right now. It's about a 30-minute drive from Santee, so we're gonna drive 2 cars. When we get down there, we're about to do some shopping, do some sightseeing. It's raining right now, so I don't know how long we're gonna be down there,
Yeah, they got some big houses on this side. I was told a lot of these houses like $1 million right here. We got people out here doing tours.
All right, y'all, so we just parked, found a parking spot. The market that we were supposed to go to, it's a long line, she said. The line was outside of us, so I'm not sure if we're gonna go there. I know we're probably gonna get some food right now. Market Street, that's the market. They don't even let you go in all at once.
It's a real busy area. They got a lot of shops out here. So we're gonna take a walk.
Wine dispenser in the stone. That's nice.
Yeah, that's dope right there.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Taste test.
Taste test.
That's pretty good.
They're pretty good.
Sweet too. Sweet up.
Yeah.
Too much sugar.
You need a whole bottle of water after that.
Alright, y'all, so this is where we're gonna have food at. We at Hyman's Half Shell. And they got Hyman's Seafood.
Very good.
So y'all, we in the Holy City. They got like salt scrubs in here that you can use.
They say, y'all, this is the best seller. But I may try one. Because I need some natural scrub. Put it in your hand.
My hand feels so smooth now.
Because our table is ready. So we're going to see y'all in.
Where's Walt Merritt?
Alright, y'all, so here's the menu. See what they got in here.
Fried green tomatoes. Do you want just the tomatoes or do you
Got
want
them boiled peanuts.
extra natural?
And we got the fried green tomatoes. Yes, ma'am. We got the shrimp dip. Guys, food was good. You want to come here? You should try it out.
Come on, guys.
We back in the car. We just now leaving. We stayed here too long because we got here kind of late, but we did walk around for a hot second and got something to eat. So we're gonna catch y'all back in Santee. Oh, can't get my letters right, but this is all I got. First word is goat. Okay. That was your last one? These were the last 2.
What's your last 2? You pick up the Q. Did you pick up the
Baby, what you cooking?
So we got some chicken boiling right now for the buffalo dip. Cream cheese, hot sauce, buffalo wing dip. Mix those together, shred the chicken, put it in the oven, let it bake for maybe like 10-15 minutes, and you're good to go.
It's good.
It's good, Mama?
It's very, very good.
So good. And when you're tired and ready to tap out, time to go night night. Yeah, she tapped out. Good morning, guys. So just waking up, packing up. Still got quite a few worms left. They gonna eat good.